You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this famous name English. Economist. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced John Maynard Keynes. Now, there is a bit of a debate because, yes, in the UK, the surname is sometimes pronounced Keynes, but his name is pronounced John Maynard Keynes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.